Okay, so we're here doing some giant tortoise monitoring. So you can see in the background they've just flipped over a large male and they're taking some measurements on the bottom of the shell. So the idea here is to periodically go out and monitor the tortoises, capture them or recapture them, take measurements of their height, width, the bottom of their shell, the length of the carapace, which is where their head is now hiding. You can see Burnus with the white scanning for the pit, which is the identification system, and that helps us figure out which tortoise is which. So right now it looks like they're trying to figure out if there is a pit, and if not, we'll put one in, and basically trying to figure out how the tortoises are changing and moving and growing over time as we capture and recapture them. But I think this is really good. I think a lot of students think that an experiment is something that you do in a lab and it's over in 50 minutes and you write it up and you're done. But I think it's really important for students to understand that this is kind of experiment where you're not done in 50 minutes. It could take years, decades. You might not draw neat conclusions. We're taking lots and lots of data, just hoping to see patterns and changes over time. So I think it's really helpful for students to see that field science is often much more expansive and messier and more interesting, and then something we can do in like a lab block in the classroom and get an appreciation for how science is actually done, by these scientists in these countries in the field.